Welcome to Crave Haven Zone.
Hello my lovely subscribers, I'm back with a new recipe. It's called pumpkin pie. So let's get started with the ingredients. The main ingredient is half a kilo of pumpkin. Obviously everybody knows that there's pumpkin in pumpkin pie. Flour. It's non-wheat flour. Next, eggs. 2 eggs. Next, KDD thick cream. And finally, white sugar to make it powdered sugar. Next, let's get to know the appliances we are going to use today. These are measuring cups. This is a medium-sized mixie jar. This is an electric mixer. This is a large-sized bowl. This is the plate we are going to be using to make the pie. And this is the decoration piping bag. Now let's wash the pumpkin before cutting. Let's peel the pumpkin before cutting. Let's cut the pumpkin into cubes. Now let's boil the pumpkin. The pumpkin is dying! Powdered sugar out of 1 cup of sugar. And we made powdered sugar. Now let's drain the water. Silence mode activated. Now let's add 2 cups of flour. Now let's beat the eggs using electric mixer. Now let's mix the eggs and flour. Now let's massage the dough with our hands. Very hardly massage the dough. Now let's turn the dough into a ball shape and keep it aside. Next, let's add the powdered sugar. Now let's apply some flour to the plate so the dough doesn't stick. Now let's take the dough and spread it on the plate. Activating squishy mode. Now let's add the pumpkin mixture to the dough. This oven is my daddy Appa's oven. It's from the 1980s and we are going to cook a pie in it today. Okay, now make sure to keep your oven for 10 minutes. Exactly 10 minutes. I'm trying my best to decorate. It's a teddy bear. It's a teddy bear. It's a teddy bear. It came well, but the cream messed with me. I don't know why.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications.